Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start with the foundational batter. In this video, I will show how to make French toast pancakes. Whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Ensure the mixture is smooth and free of lumps, creating a perfect base for your delicious breakfast. Now, let's get cooking. Take your favorite bread, like challah or brioche, and quickly dip each slice into the batter, ensuring it's fully coated but not soggy. Place the dipped bread onto a lightly greased, preheated griddle set to medium heat. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, until each pancake is beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Time to assemble your masterpiece. Carefully stack your warm French toast pancakes onto a serving plate. For that essential touch, generously drizzle them with warm, pure maple syrup. Feel free to elevate your creation with fresh fruit like strawberries or blueberries, or a dusting of powdered sugar. These simple additions make a big difference. Your incredible French toast pancakes are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot off the griddle to savor their perfect texture and flavor. They pair wonderfully with a side of crispy bacon or savory sausage for a truly satisfying breakfast or brunch. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. It's a great way to read anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.